Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually play the 120 FPS high refresh rate games in the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes friends, finally after doing long time of research about this device, finally I got a way how we can actually play the 120 FPS gameplay, but there is some small problem in that, so make sure to watch the video friends. You will be able to understand. You can actually play at 120 FPS but with a condition. So maybe this problem can be fixed with the future updates. That's what I'm expecting, because actually I was able to get the 120 FPS, but there is small software issue which is going on. So previously, which is also found in the previous Realme phones, and they could easily fix it. So hopefully with the next updates, we might be able to see this kind of 120 FPS problem may get fixed in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's one small hope which I'm having right now. So if you want, you can watch the Realme UI 3.0 episodes as well. You will be able to understand what are the problems got fixed or not. So let's get started friends. In this video, I'll try to show you how you can actually play the 120 FPS gameplay in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So I'm getting plenty of comments friends regarding the 120 FPS, because few of the users, they were actually planning to buy this phone, but they are worried that the phone may not be able to support high refresh rate games. But actually there is a way to play 120 FPS gameplay but with a condition in this device. So this is not the new problem. This previously a lot of Realme phones also have this kind of issue. Right now let me try to open the Hill Climb Racing game. So this is a game which supports the 120 FPS. Okay, right now you are able to see exactly I'm playing the game and I cannot get 120 at all. It's showing 60 Hz refresh rate. Even the FPS meter also showing only 60. So right now what you need to do is that you need to decrease the complete brightness to 0. Okay, try to decrease complete brightness to 0. Right now I'm trying to decrease the complete brightness to 0 brightness. As you can see friends, exactly 0 brightness levels I did keep. And now go to the multitasking. Okay, try to click the multitasking and now try to open the same game. Now you can actually see the 120 FPS. Sometimes let me try again that same trick again. Let's check. So 120 FPS, it's showing exactly non-stop the gaming as well. As you can see 120 Hz, you can see clearly 120 Hz. Let me show you the real-time FPS meter. Real-time FPS meter also showing 119 FPS. Clearly you can see 120 and 119. But you may think everything is fine. What is the problem? The problem is that as soon as you increase the brightness, the 120 FPS will change to 60 FPS. Yes, that's the main problem. You can actually play at 120 FPS and high refresh rate games, but it cannot be with the high brightness. Try to observe. I'll try to increase the brightness. I'm trying to increase the brightness. It's staying. Okay, it's staying. You may think it's staying, but let me need to come back to the game. Immediately it went to 60. Clearly you can see. Again, let me need to do the same test. Let's go to the main menu and open. It stays 120. No problem. 120. It's staying. So let me need to exactly play again the game. Now you will be able to see what is happening. So 120, and I'm trying to increase the brightness and come back to the game. Boom, it went back to again 60. So the only thing is that the phone at this moment, you can actually play only with the 0 brightness only. You will be able to play 120 FPS. So if you have the doubt whether this problem can be fixed with the software updates or not, yes, it can be fixed. The real proof is that the Realme X1 Max. This is a real proof. The Realme X1 Max also has got the previous issues, similar kind of thing, high refresh rate and the brightness trick and everything. So now what happens is that now you can actually play the game in full brightness also. So without any kind of problem. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to play the same game. I'm trying to play and you can see real-time FPS I'm getting about 120 and 114 it's reaching. Clearly, same game. Using with the same brightness trick. So if you don't use the brightness stick, the game doesn't perform. The game doesn't get the 60, doesn't get 120. It's going back to 60. Every time you get the 60, you need to decrease the brightness and go to the multitasking and open the game again and try to increase the brightness. Whatever the high refresh rate game you are trying to use, same process you need to do to get this kind of high refresh rate support. So I'm not sure when they will be able to fix this, but still you can actually play with the full brightness. But in the Realme GT Neo 2, you cannot play with the full brightness. This is what I did mention. There is a condition and this is the one problem, small problem. That's it friends. Thank you for watching this. This is a quick thing which I'm sharing with you all. So you may think with the Realme UI it may be fixed, but right now I'm trying to use the Realme UI early access beta version as well in the Realme GT. I did not see any kind of change in the high refresh rate games. You can follow the playlist for the Realme UI 3.0 to get to know more updates on this particular topic. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick review which I thought of just giving you all what is happening with high refresh rate games. In case if you're planning to buy this phone, this may help you as well. So maybe with the next updates, things may get fixed, because I did see the live proof it got fixed little bit. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video unless state of more updates. And doesn't matter what GT mode you use. You may think use the GT mode to get the 120 FPS. It doesn't work like that. No, it doesn't work. Even with the GT mode also same results. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video unless state of more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.